buy salad dressings. Well, this red wine vinaigrette might change your mind. It is so easy to make, it's inexpensive, and it's delicious. And we're gonna shake everything together in a jar. Start with really good quality extra virgin olive oil, a good quality red wine vinegar, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. It's really important not to just shake pepper out of a jar. You want to have freshly ground. And then the kind of secret ingredient, although it's not a secret at all, is Dijon mustard. It's not only going to bring a tang to the vinaigrette, but it's going to act as an emulsifier, and it's going to bring the oil and vinegar together. It's going to be slightly creamy, but still very light. It's going to be perfect for any green salad or any more elaborate salad that you put together.